Hello, everyone. If you're frustrated with other social media platforms because you're not getting any traffic, then a little hidden secret is that Pinterest is the best known traffic source around. And I'm going to teach you how to get started. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about getting started with Pinterest. And today what we're going to do is actually set up our Pinterest account so that I can walk you step by step to see how it's done and how you need to set it up. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I've already had started out with just a personal account, but I'm going to show you how to switch it to a business account. We're going to click the login button. And I am going to continue with Google. Okay, so give me a minute and I am going to set up everything and I will be right back with you. Okay guys, so as you can see, I successfully signed up. I clicked login, which was kind of the wrong one. I didn't want to do that one. I thought that I had another account, but this is the setup of my new account, Sandra Studio Toolbox. So everything is set up. Now we're going to click the next button. I am female. Okay. And we are in the United States, so we can just go on and click next on that. And it says, what are you interested in? So right now we're going to put home decor, design. Okay, this channel is definitely about room decor. It is also about crafts and business as well. We teach tools, great business tools to use to excel in your business, to help make things a little smoother in your business, and a lot of things of that nature. So right now, let's just click on everything that apply to our business model. It's almost like they're contradicting. It's like they're asking the same questions over and over again. Okay, so let's just see. Let's keep looking. Now, what I am a little disappointed in is the fact that there's no business things that are in here. Definitely, we're interested in journals because that is an important part of business as well. Bedroom makeovers, bedrooms. Okay, so that's all they had. Really weird that they didn't have anything related to business, but that's okay. We will incorporate that into our boards. Okay, it says, so search and save. So we're adding new ideas to your home feed, which is great. Now, not once did I pick food. Have you noticed that? But yet it still gave me food. It gave me a budget. That's really weird. I know I didn't pick anything and it had to do with food. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to go over here and we're going to set up our profile. Okay, so we're going to click on Edit Profile. Okay, and we're not going to have a last name. Let's see. I don't know why they have this like that. Let's see if it lets us get away with it. If not, I'm going to have to add that later. So let's say, tell us about your story. So the thing about telling about your story is basically you want to write a description of what your board is about. Now, what I did notice is that this did not take me into the business board. So that could be the reason why I didn't get any personal any business ideas. So let me go in here, and we're going to click on convert to business. Okay, now there we go, before we even start with that. So now we're going to upgrade to business. Now it says describe your business. So right here it says it's Shopify store, clothing store, grocery, hotel chain. No, I'm going to click on content creator. And that's it. Next, business name, and I'm going to type that in. We're in the United States, and when it says website, I am going to connect my YouTube to the website, so just give me one moment here. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I did go ahead and add my YouTube channel. So we're going to click the next button. What are your business goals? Select 3. So we want to generate leads. Wait, okay. We want to grow brand awareness. Generate leads. And create content on Pinterest to grow an audience. Well, heck, I wish we can use more, because I do want to drive traffic to my site, but I also want to, you know, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this one. I'm going to take this one off. Okay. Okay. What's the focus of your brand? The focus of my brand is basically, it could be home, but it's actually education. I want to educate people on how to get in a pleasing and aesthetically pleasing home for content creators that, you know, want to start an online business. And you know, content creators, basically, they work from home. You create in your home, and you want to have nice backdrops, like a corner area, someplace where you record, where you have Zoom meetings, coaching sessions, and things of that nature. And sometimes people are not sure how to set up those areas, or what's the best way to go about doing it. And I want to be here to give you the resources for not only setting up an aesthetically pleasing room, but also give you the tools you need to help grow your business, because I've been doing this for so long. I have so much knowledge, especially as far as resources and things you can have access to, how to monetize businesses and things of that nature. So I am going to definitely put education. And we're going to do done. Now I do believe some of these things you can come back later and change if you need to, so keep that in mind as well. Where would you like to start? We would like to start by, no, we don't want to do ads. Showcase your brand. So I need to build my profile, because we don't want to do pins yet. Pins are going to be probably session 3, I think, of this series, or series 3. So we're going to start with building that profile. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now it's saying tell us about your story. Now the thing about your story is basically a description about your Pinterest account, like basically what it is that you have, that you're offering. And the best way you can do this description to make it count for you is to make sure that you use keywords that pertain to your business and then write it up. Okay, I'm not sure how many characters you need. So I'm going to say maybe 200 characters. I'm going to get a little bit, and we are back. Okay, so basically I have set up my About Me page, and I did add my keywords into that as well. And this one right here says add pronouns. Okay, so we're just going to say she, her. Okay, we got all that. Email address. So I'm going to put in my email address here. Okay, we are not adding a number, and we do not have a retail location. So we do not have to click that, and we're going to do save. So now you have the website, and then you have the email address. We're not going to put a phone number there because there's no need for that right now, and because we do not have an outdoor location or a brick and mortar company, so we can actually just leave that blank. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so guys, now we're into Account Manager. I will tell you this. I already have 2 Pinterest accounts, and I've had them for years. I understand how Pinterest work. I understand how to grow a Pinterest account, and we're actually going to do the next series. It's going to be a case study to show you, so we could have, live time progress to see how this Pinterest account grows. But anyway, there's a lot of new stuff that they've implemented since I've opened up my Pinterest account, and now I'm doing a whole new account, and I see now they have an account manager, and so I did click on that so that we can set that up. It's asking you for a password if you want to change your password, which I don't. Your date of birth is basically just going over everything, and then it also asks you about your community. You can add that information in, or you can choose to put none of the above. Okay, now this is the business account goals, and we want to drive traffic to our site. We want to create content on Pinterest to grow an audience, and we also want to generate more leads to our business. It's like, which one do we want? Do we want to sell more products? And I would rather send them somewhere than to sell the products just from here. So I'm going to say generate more leads for the business. You can only pick 3. So, and I'm sure you can probably go back in later and change them. I'm not sure. Let's see. Generate more leads to your business. Drive traffic to your site. Create content on Pinterest to grow your audience. Okay, I definitely want to leave this one. And I kind of feel like these 2 are basically the same. Driving traffic to your site and generating leads to your business. And I feel like if I'm driving traffic to my sites, that should be generating my leads to my business. So I am going to take this one off and put sell more products, just in case I am not able to change this later and I do want to, grow my business and sell products. I want to have that option. So I'm not sure if you can go back in later. Like I said, it's been years since I've set up a new account with Pinterest, so these things are very new to me. We're going through this step by step, the same, as if you were setting it up yourself. So now we're going to do save for that. Now, profile visibility. I'm not sure what that is about. So manage how your profile can be viewed on and off of Pinterest. Hide your profile and boards from search engines. I think that's redundant. What's the purpose of having this if you're going to hide it? When your profile is private, only people you approve can see. And I don't want either one of these. So we're going to skip the profile visibility section and tune your home feed. Let's go here. Pins you look at, turn off all Now we're going to leave that blank. Interest. And these are the interests that they have. But like I said, we're going to tweak that later. Boards. I don't have any boards yet because like I said, that is going to be the next series. Claim your account. And let's see if we can do the claim your account. Okay, so now this is the only thing. Like I said, I did put my YouTube channel on here. And so I'm not sure how I will be able to claim that account. It says add it to your domain host. Choose how you want to claim your account. So I would have to do a little more research on this, guys. I do not want to continue with this and give you the wrong information. So what I am going to do is I am going to stop the video here. We are going to pick up again next week. And we're going to also add the vision boards as well. I want to do my research on this so that I make sure that I bring you the correct information, okay? So thank you so much for joining me. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Guys, thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out my home office organization guide with complete step-by-step instructions as well as an organizational planner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, Ili Bolto Roulé. Happy decorating.